Come on. Hey, girl. Aren't those beautiful feathers? That's a peacock.
You know how they were looking at us? They were like,
The way how they stick is because the honey.
The honey?
Yeah, and then when they like honey, so they stick it. And they're eating the honey. Because the honey.
I don't know. You don't want to be outside. Like, y'all like looking at me. Poor girl. You just want to be outside. Let's go in my little house. Aria, you sit with me and Daddy.
To helping the zoo to maintain its habitat, as well as make other improvements as well. Every little bit helps, and your generosity is very much.
But what's your favorite food? Who else? What's your favorite food?